We take an ordinary Greek salad and make it with a twist. Howdy, it's Linda from Veggie Outlaws, and today we're making Greek salad with a twist. So hop on board and let's get cooking. After we make the dressing, we're going to prepare the vegetables. First, we take a green leaf lettuce, we wash it, then we remove the core. Using a salad spinner, we tear the leaf into bite-sized pieces and put it in the salad spinner. It's nice to use the salad spinner in order to dry the lettuce. You do not want to make your salads with wet lettuce. So that's kind of yucky. So we tear the salad, put it in our salad spinner. Once we put it in our salad spinner, we spin it. Makes about 8 cups. If you feel it's a little damp still, you can use a paper towel just to absorb any extra moisture. Add your dried lettuce into your large salad bowl. Take half an English cucumber, cut it in half, and then in half again. And dice. Once it's diced, add it to your bowl. Dice 2 medium tomatoes. These are a bit on the small side, so I might dice 3. I'll see how much it makes. We love salads in our house, and this Greek salad with a twist is a real treat. Add the tomatoes on top of the leaves and the cucumber in the salad bowl. Take a bell pepper. You can use orange or yellow or red. We happen to have a yellow in the refrigerator, so that's what we're using. Remove the pulp and the seeds. I always save whatever I'm removing to go into my vegetable scrap bag in the freezer to make broth with. Remove the pulp and dice. I decided to make Greek salad with a twist. And the twist is the salad includes Santorini spiced roasted walnuts and artichoke hearts. Add your diced pepper into your salad bowl. Take our red onion and cut it into a quarter, then thinly slice the quarter. Well, those are pretty big pieces, so we're going to cut them in half again to make them a little bit smaller. Another twist to our Greek salad is not only do we use Kalamata olives, we also use a few green olives. We'll take a half a cup of pitted Kalamata olives, which we're going to cut into quarters. It's about 24 olives. Set aside half a cup of artichoke hearts, diced into pieces. We don't use feta cheese in this salad, so instead we decided to use artichoke hearts, which gives it a nice flavor, nice texture. Remove any hard outer pieces. 2 tablespoons of green olives, slice into quarters. Set aside a few slices of each of these for garnish. Take 1/4 cup of your sliced onions. You don't want any more than 1/4 cup of sliced onions or it becomes too overpowering. Add these to your salad bowl. Add your quartered olives to your salad bowl. Add your quartered green olives to your salad bowl. And your diced artichoke hearts. Using your salad mixer, mix your salad. Toss your salad. Now, at this point, you could add your salad dressing. However, if you're not going to be eating it all in one sitting, then you probably don't want to add the salad dressing. It's better to add the salad dressing just before you eat it. And since this does make a nice big bowl of salad, you may want to have it today and tomorrow. Like today for dinner, tomorrow for lunch. Take 1/2 cup of our Santorini Spiced Walnuts. Spread them over the top. Garnish your salad with some sliced Kalamata olives, artichoke hearts, a couple of green olives, and our onion. When we're ready to go, we add our salad dressing. We have a beautiful Greek salad with a twist. If you like what we made today, just stir up that like button and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Or head over to our website, veggieoutlaws.com, where we have new recipes coming out every week. And you can pick up a copy of our cookbook, Veggie Outlaws Most Wanted Vegan Recipes.